Hello students, how are you? Once again I'm here, Dinesh Orasia with the online studies from St. Mary's. So this video is for class 10th and today's topic I have chosen is geometric progression, that is GP. And the GP is called in Hindi the Gudottar Shreni, okay? गुणोत्तर श्रेणी एज यू नो गुणोत्तर मतलब गुणा कर करके है, मल्टीप्लाई कर करके जो आपको सीरीज मिलेगी वो दैट विल बी अ ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन. As we have done AP just before this chapter, so in AP we saw that there was a difference between two numbers and that difference was fixed, that was called common difference. As we know, the common difference was same and that common difference was everywhere in the whole series. So if any series is in AP, then there will be a common difference, and in the same way if any series is in GP, then we will have a new term and the term is called common ratio. Let us listen what it is. Okay, if we have a series like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, etc. Like, listen carefully. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, in such a way. So the multiplication of 2 is everywhere in each term. Listen, 2 is multiplied by 2, we have got 4. 4 is multiplied by 2, we have got 8. So a series like this is called a geometric progression, that is GP series. Okay. So if we take one more example like 1, 3, 9, 27 and such like, just like that. Okay. So if we have first term 1, then we have got 3. So 1 is multiplied by 3. Again 3 is multiplied by 3. 9 is multiplied by 3. Again the next term will be multiplied by 3. So a series like these two is called a geometric progression or a GP series. In these kind of series, we have, this is a first term A. This number which is being multiplied in every term is called R, and which is called common ratio. Okay, so if we have a series and the series is in GP, so what we will get? Listen carefully. If we have a series and the first term of that series is A, common ratio is R, so series will be in the form A comma AR comma AR square comma AR cube, something like that. Okay, so just like AP series, we have got the nth term of an AP series, we will find out the nth term of a GP series. Okay, if we have, this is first term A, second term AR, third term AR square. As we can see, R is multiplied everywhere. Okay, so this first term A can be written as AR power 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 means 0. If I write AR power 0, that is AR power 1 minus 1. R power 0 means 1, so the number will be same, A. If we have AR, so this AR can be written as AR power 2 minus 1. This can be written as AR power 3 minus 1. So in such a way, if we go through Tn, that is nth term of this series, we will get AR power n minus 1. Okay, so nth term of a GP series is AR power n minus 1. So this is the formula for the series which is in GP, and to find the nth term of that series. If we take some examples on GP series, just like I have taken one, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, this is a GP series. Why this is a GP series? Because 2 is multiplied by the each number. Okay, now we have the first term is 2. We have to find a common ratio, then the common ratio will be second term upon first term or the third term upon the second term. Okay, so 4 upon 2, or we can write 8 upon 4, there will be what common ratio, that is 2. Now common ratio is represented by R, first term is represented by A, and let us assume we have to find the 22nd term of this series. 22nd term of this series. Okay. So Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1 we know. Tn means T22 because 22nd term we have to get. Now a means we have 2, r is 2, power n minus 1 means 22 minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 2 power 21, so it is 2 power 22, and this will be the answer. If you want to solve, you can solve this also, and if you want to leave, this is the answer. This also is correct. Okay. So this is the way we will find the nth term of a GP series. Now, the way we found in AP series the sum of n terms of a an AP series, in the same way we will find in GP also that the sum of n terms of a GP series. Okay. So now, if we have a GP series AR square, AR power 3, like that we have AR power n minus 1, and this is the GP series, and we have to find the sum of Sn, A plus AR square plus, and so on. Okay. And if we multiply this, let this be equation number 1, and if we multiply this equation number 1 by R, so R into Sn will be AR square, AR power 3, AR power 4, and just like this will be AR power n. Just before this we will have AR power n minus 1. Are you getting me? Because here we have AR power n minus 1. So just before this we must have AR power n minus 2. And this AR power 3 is multiplied by R. So we have got AR power 4. And if AR power n minus 2 multiplied by R, then we will get AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1 is multiplied by R. So AR power n we have got. Now, subtract 1 from 2. Subtract. So all the sign will be changed. Okay. What will happen then? This AR and AR square, AR cube, AR cube. Just like that, AR power n minus 2, AR power n minus 2, and AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1 will be cancelled. So remaining will be Sn minus R into Sn is equal to this A is remaining and this minus AR power n is remaining. Okay, everything is cancelled. So now Sn will be common, we will have 1 minus R. A will be common, 1 minus R power n. So Sn is equal to A 1 minus R power n upon 1 minus R. So this is the sum of a GP series up to n terms. The sum of a GP series. But we can find, or we can see here in this formula we have 1 minus R. So this condition 1 minus R comes when the value of R is less than 1. If the value of R is greater than 1, so the same formula will be Sn is equal to A R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. The condition will be R is greater than 1. Okay. So these two conditions are there. The sum of n terms of a GP series will be A 1 minus R power n upon 1 minus R if R is less than 1, and if R is greater than 1, then the formula will be A R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Let us take one example on this also. So if we have 2, 4, 8, 16, the same one, the same GP series I have taken, then we have to find the sum of n terms, or the sum of, we can write find the sum of GP series up to 15 terms. So what will be the sum of this GP series up to 15 terms? Okay, this is the GP series given. So we know, as we can see, the first term A we have is 2, common ratio, that is R we have is 4 upon 2, that is 2. So sum of n terms Sn is equal to, see, common ratio R is 2 and 2 is was greater than 1. If r is greater than 1, then we have sum of n terms of a GP series is a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So put the values of the formulas. In the formulas, a we have got 2, r power n means 2 power 15, because we have to find the sum up to 15 terms, minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So it will be 2 power 15 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 means 1. So upon 1 will be cancelled. So 2 power 15 minus 1. This is the answer. You can solve 2 power 15 as well. So this will be the answer. You also can write this also. Huh? So this is all about GP series. We have done. What will be the nth term of a GP series? So Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. And what will be the sum of a GP series? Sum of n terms. Sn we have got a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. And Sn is equal to a 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r when r is less than 1. Okay. So this is all about GP series. Some more things are there like geometric mean, just like arithmetic means. Okay. Arithmetic mean and arithmetic means, we have GP, geometric mean and geometric means. So in the next lecture we will discuss about geometric mean and geometric means and some more properties. Till then, thank you so much. See you soon.